Dear students, welcome for my lecture series on Spirogyra reproduction. In this lecture series, you will get study material in the form of video recordings on Spirogyra reproduction with reference to a vegetative method, asexual method of a reproduction, its details, a method which is a type of a asexual reproduction but special video for that particular category where a zygospores are get produced. It is also called as Parthenogenesis. This will be a special video. Sexual reproduction in more detail with reference to its subtypes such as Scalariform of conjugation would be the next part of a video lecture series. Lateral conjugation, on it there would be a separate video. And very interesting fact, whether the Scalariform conjugation and lateral conjugation both they takes place simultaneously or not. On this there would be a special video. And of course the last step of a sexual mode of reproduction, which covers the maturation details and germination of a zygospore, that would be studied in more detail. So all these videos they may help you for preparation of your exams as well as for further studies. So keep watching on these videos and get benefited of it. Thank you very much for watching this video. Wish you all the best.